Hello, this is Vance, and this is Wednesday, August the 20th, 2014, and these are the CL trades for today. It's pre-market, but I couldn't help but put this trade on. It's a limit order in. I limited in three contracts to the bottom of this tight trading range, and what I'm thinking is that this is a measured move up. We have the strong move from the overnight, from off the low of 92.73, and the high is at 93.23. This is the bottom of the tight trading range. I limited in at 93.08. My stop is at, one like down here, 92.93. So it's right at the right around the $93 mark. My stop is down below here, and my target is at 93.23 for my first two contracts, and this is the measured move for the, well, it's going to be a last contract, sorry. That's what I like about this. You have the two legs down to this area. It's formed at this area. I limited in right at this bottom, not quite at the bottom, and that's what I'm looking for as far as this play is concerned. So let's let it go, see how this transpires, and so I'm confident, even though it's it's preparing to move up a little higher, considering that we've had this unwinding for the last couple of days, in particular yesterday. So I'm going to leave it for the time being, and we'll see how this plays out. Okay, I'm still in this trade. The reason I still like this trade is I think I got a very good entry at the bottom here. I think it'll test this high. It did move up. It got within a couple ticks. It pulled back a bit, but I think that I'm still near this bottom. I still have the support down here, and so I'm still staying with this trade. When you see overlap like this, price makes a new high. It's almost like a to maybe close out, but because my stop is down here, it's below these matching lows. If I come down here, if it comes down here, it's a failed trade. And unless it comes down here within a couple of ticks, it's still a failed trade. It's below 93. It's 92.99. So I think that the first two contracts are okay, and we're just right near the open. So I think it'll hit my target. So that's why I'm sticking with this trade. I still like this trade, and that's why I'm staying with it. It's going on 43 minutes now. So I mean, it's taken a while for it to complete, but that's part of the of trading. So I'm okay. It's hit my target, and now I'm moving it to break even +1 on my runner. I mean, I don't really have to. I could keep it under here, but I'm gonna just move it to break even +1. And my target ultimately is up here at where this measured move is, so +25 ticks. Been in this trade for 47 minutes, and so I'm leaving it the way it is for the time being. I move my stop up underneath the this area right here, so I'm trailing by this matching lows right in this area, and because it's pretty strong, I'm still I'm not too far off. I'm only like 9 ticks away from my target, and so I'm still holding on to that. My 15 tick stop is right below this area right here. So that's my runner. Okay, I move my stop up a little higher, below this bar right here. It's pretty tight, but we're very close to this exhaustion for my measured move. That's where my target was, so I'm only a few ticks off of that. But I don't want to. I'm getting a little bit hesitation here. It looks to be hasn't broken this trend channel yet. Hasn't held and broken this trend channel. But if this depends on this bar completes, I might turn around and head back up right here. But if not, I'm still got these ticks locked in right here. So just trailing it by a little bit tighter margin. Been in this trade now for an hour and 7 minutes. Okay, came back, took out my stop, and to my I only got didn't quite make it to right to the top here, but that's fine. Worked out pretty good. It was a good trade. Again, you saw this first two contracts were off at the top of this one, the tight trading range, and then it was continuation pattern. Traded up and out of this range. I didn't quite get to where I thought the measured move was going to be, but that's fine. So anyway, that's it for now. Trade took an hour and 14 minutes. Have any questions, please let me know. Now you can demonstration trade. Bye for now.